See how it's starting to change different colours there? Can you see that? Use a bit more lightly. There we go. Get some of that patina. See, getting colour changes there. See it all happening? I'm going to keep heating this up till we get a flame that looks green. That's also the colour you want the copper when you're going to use it to do soldering. Okay, now put the sheet of copper down, turn off the blowtorch here, and let that copper cool down. While the copper's cooling down, what I'm going to do is cut this in half. I believe it's 12 inches long, so it's going to be 2 6-inch pieces. Okay, you take your square, you put it on, then you just drive a line across. Draw a line there, scribe a line. There we go. I'm going to cut that with a hacksaw. Once you got this cut in two, what I'm going to do is drill 2 holes to put my bullet cartridge rivets in. So this is the shell casing here. What I do is drill holes in there, attach it to the copper, put this shell casing through, and that will act as a rivet. See? And it's brass, looks very nice. Right, now this has cooled down, so what I'm going to do is scribe a line along there and cut it. Cut it. That looks good. It's approximately, what, maybe 5/8. There you go, a nice line across there, and then get stuck into it with the old tin snips as seen on TV. So what this is all about is, you know, when I used to smoke my cigarettes, it was a lot to do with I used to roll my own, so it was a lot to do with the ritual of using my hands to make something. So this kind of crosses over quite well because I'm using my hands to make something. But not only that, with this idea, I get to give these out as a gift to somebody, which is better than giving somebody a used cigarette, apparently. Better than giving somebody a used cigarette. Anyhow, so we've got that there, so cut off. Now just got to try and get it a bit straighter, a bit nicer. There we go. And the thing is, because we heated up the copper, it's quite ductile. Right, check this out. And once you've got these edges somewhat straight, you don't have to have it perfect. So what's going to happen is that's going to attach to there, bend over, and then attach to there. And it's going to be a pair of tongs. Can you see that? So anyhow, we'll try and make this a little bit fancy, and also I'm going to cut this back so this blends into where that thickness will be. This wood, this thickness here will be that thickness at this point or close to it. So let's see what we're doing now. And just to get things equal distance, what I'll do is I'll take apart an old compass, you know, one of these guys, and just do a mark there, a mark on that side, see, like that, and do a mark on this side here, like that. So we've got 2 marks, and then in the center where that mark crosses there in the center, I'm going to put a dot, and then from that dot I will mark where my next hole is going to be at. Thank you, Mr. Compass. So once I cross that line there, use the dot punch, this sharp piece of metal with a point on it, for a hole there, and I'll take this, put one end of the compass in the hole, and scribe a line across there, and in the middle I shall put another dot, and that's where our hole will be. It's going to be 2 holes on either side. Sorry about that, hope we didn't deafen you. And what about this side? Let's do it here too. Yep, there you go. Perfect. So the hole that we're going to put in here will be just slightly larger than this bullet casing. Okay, so we got our holes here, and hopefully these bullets will fit through. Oh, look at that, perfect, nice one. And once you get your shape made like this, what I like to do is take my dot punch and just put like a design in there, and then we'll clean it all up and attach it to the paddles. See how it looks. Okay, find suitable punch and just start one end and start one. Okay, right, put it up there. Okay, top there, top there. These if you put it up, you know, every so often, that's like a good guide. Yeah, see that? It's coming on slowly. So once you get it like this, you just give it a little bit of shine up there with some wire wool here. It makes all the difference. Now once you get it like this, though, there's still lots. I can put colours in this copper, so it's not just, you know, copper coloured. Anyhow, there we go. Yeah. And you don't do it perfect, because guess what? This is craft. This is not mass production. It's not mass production factory work. This is craft work. There, see, and that's what you end up with, something like that. And then this has to be bent in a U shape.